Welcome students. Today we're going to learn how to submit an assignment through Canvas by using our Google Docs and Google Drive. So for this, I'm at my dashboard on Canvas. Make sure that we are saving Canvas as well onto our favorites toolbar at top by hitting this star when we are in the dashboard setting. Again, toggling in your dashboard from card view as listed to list view will change the way that Canvas is shown to you personally. In list view, it lists everything in order by day for each class, whereas card view will list each class separately and list your upcoming events on the right side. The remaining view option is recent activity, and that will show conversations, assignments, and discussions for you sorted by class. I personally like this view because it's organized in a way that my brain can function the best. So I'm going to go enter my class to show you how to submit an assignment through Canvas. In this class, the daily agenda is the home page. So for the home page, this tells you in this class where all of the assignments are. If I click on modules or assignment, notice the to-do list over here. So as a student, I'm going to go and click on this assignment because I know it needs to be done for 5 points on September 15th by 11:59 p.m. As I click on this assignment, I have a couple options. I've already done the assignment in my Google Drive. So the next step I want to do is click on the Submit Assignment button. This will give me several options. It will give me a file upload, a Google Doc, a CK12 practice, a Google Drive, and more. If I click on my Google Drive, this will open my drive, and I can begin searching for the assignment I need to upload. For this, I have saved this into my 7th grade folder. Since this class is test class, I have saved my assignment in my test class folder. And lastly, my upload assignment should appear in my test class folder. Upload assignment. Once I have that, I click on it. Notice that it's checked and it's highlighted blue. Once it's highlighted blue and checked, I can hit the Submit button, which will take me to the next page where I can add any additional comments. The teacher will see these additional comments when you submit the final assignment. Lastly, you have to submit assignment one more time for grading. Once you get this notification, this means that your assignment has been submitted, and if there is any indication that the assignment has failed to upload, Canvas will notify you in your email box to tell you that it did not work correctly. By reading this, I am saying, okay, I understand. And now I can double check. It should say submitted on the right hand side with a check mark. Submission details will be here if you want to check in on those. It'll tell you any comments you said. And if it says resubmit assignment, this means that you successfully uploaded a document to the scheduled assignment for your Canvas course. I hope this helps and have a great day.